one on tank, you ready to try it today?
Alright, rolling Manta. Super cool. Brakes. Oh, here we go. Woo! Oh, love that. Love that turn. Woo! Oh, that one too. Woo! And into the brake run. Not a bad coaster. Max launch coaster, multi-launch. Got a couple pops there at a time, and like 2 or 3 times of some laterals on that in the front. Oh, there's a flamingo.